So this is the page, Introduction to Big Data Bioinformatics, and you can all open it up as well. And this has the schedule similar to that, which we have already discussed. And then we have some other participants who have completed the course. And then there are three different licensing systems. So this 1 month program can be joined and you can get access to all of the things that we discussed at only $45 subscription to the program. And then you will have project courses and project library and then certification and all of this. So it would be best if I can explain this via a document that we have prepared. So let me do that and show you the entire thing. But this is the page where you can, proceed with your application. Here you have to select an option. For example, if I have to select a basic subscription, then I will select this option. It will take me to the payment page where I can complete my registration fee processing. And then I'll get the access to all of the resources that are mentioned, get the schedule and the calendar invite and all of that. So it's a pretty simple process. Now let me show you a document. So this is a document that has all the compilation of the resources. So this is the program. If you can see my screen, and then this is the payment link, and this is the registration link. So once you have registered and showed, we have shared with you the Zoom link for the session, and then this is the program registration page, and these are the sessions which are scheduled. And every week we will be going through one of these technologies in detail and covering different aspects that we discussed in today's webinar. So after completing this, what are the different opportunities? So designing a bioinformatics research, which we did not discuss in so much detail, but will be in the session. So there's a registration fee associated with the registration to this program. And why there's a registration fee? Because you will get access to the online tutorials, premium courses, project examples, cloud pipelines, R and Python coding sessions, session recordings, live group sessions, and certificates and project proposals. So this is included in the beginner license. And then we have the intermediate license where you can have a one-on-one mentorship when you want, and if you have to clarify doubts, that you will be available for that. And in the advanced license, you will get 1 month additional time to complete some of the courses and get additional support from 15 days extension to get the support to complete the task. Then once you are doing this, what are the benefits? Why you should do this? Other than the benefits of learning, you will get an opportunity to have your own profile on the Learn. So you have already created login, you will get your own profile. This profile is showcased to the collaborators, and it can be showcased by you to show your certificate. So the program says that you have completed the courses that you have done. So once you complete a course, so I said genomics. If you completed genomics, you'll get a certificate for completion of genomics and that you have trained in genomics. Similarly, that is a course certification that you will get. Other than that, you will also get a program certification. Once you complete the session and mark them on the Learn page and earn points, you will be able to earn the certificate by the end of the program. And as I was telling you, that with each of these courses you will finish, you'll get 5 or 6 certifications for finishing the courses here also. And we have some scholarships for low-cost programs for our partner universities and organizations. So we have partnered with many universities across globe, including ones in India. And if you're a student in one of those partner universities, you can reach out to us and you can get additional scholarship. And you can also request for scholarship. In that sense, we have a kind of online call with your references that you can, that you put in your scholarship request. And once we confirm about the need, then we give you the scholarship, associated partial scholarship, because it's already a low-cost program, and we have a lot of resources allocated with it, and we would want you to make the most of this opportunity. However, if you would be interested in, if you are interested in joining as a group, then there's a possibility of you to gain scholarships and discounts for joining the program. So these are some of the resources that we have put together for this program, and we'll be happy to share with you any other questions that you have, answer any other questions that you have. So please feel free to ask your questions now, and we are open for a Q&A session. To answer questions from Zara, she is asking any research funding opportunities. Yeah, if you have a research proposal, and then you can submit the research proposal to via an email. You can write to me. You can write to Dr. Harpreet and share your research proposal. And based on the research proposal, we can provide scholarship for the research fellowship program, which is a different program from this one, where we are developing research projects. And that comes once you have gone through this sort of training where you know the application of different types of data sets, and you have gone through the example projects or data sets. That gives you a clear edge when you're doing your own project to be able to completely understand and finish your project. So I think this is what we wanted to share with you today. And please feel free to reach out to us with these email addresses, or you can reach out to our team online through Slack, through Skype, and through WhatsApp and Telegram. So we'll be happy to help you out with any of your questions. And yes, this program will be conducted by our group in Nigeria. So this will be available for African participants through Eureka collaboration, and this program will be available, in different months. So we were planning to do this quite frequently because we understand that there is a lot of need to get started to begin with, and this is the one of the best way we could we can find to start working with you and to collaborate with you to help you with your research, with your learning, and to develop skill sets for opportunities such as job opportunities, internship opportunities, and all of that. So Lisa, you have a question. You said that the courses sections are available prior to our training. How does that work? So once you register, if you're registering it if you're registering today, you will get access to the courses and all the material from today onwards. So you have a good amount of time left before the start of the program and each of the sections that we are going to cover. So you'll always have opportunity to finish those ahead of time for to come up with questions and to come up with doubts during the session, where we will be more happy to resolve those doubts, resolve your questions, make you understand how this is applied and how this is done. So that's the opportunity, and I hope that I've been able to answer your question, Lisa. Also, like, it is something that you can do at your own luxury, at your own time, because I think the courses are pretty much accessible through your mobile phone. Also, I mean, your iPads, so you can do that. And for uploading data and stuff like that on TIBA Info server, we would recommend you to use a laptop. So one of the benefit is the online infrastructure that has been provided with this fellow with this program. Yeah.